Good morning, children. Welcome to 7th Standard English, Term 3, Unit 2. Prose, a story of self-sacrifice and bravery. Children, this is a real story. Look at the picture. Children, tell me, what makes a person a hero? A person becomes a hero if he or she risks his life for the sake of others. How do heroes make a difference? A hero is a person of distinguished courage and ability. They are admired for their brave deeds and noble qualities. So many people become engineers, doctors, IAS officers, film stars, and so on. But a few become human. Okay, children, come let's see the story. This is a real incident which happened in the year 1986. It was the morning, September 5, 1986. The aircraft Pan Am Flight 73 with 360 passengers on board. It was the morning, September 5 in the year 1986. The aircraft Pan Am Flight 73, this was the name of the flight, with 360 passengers on board. The plane arrived from Mumbai and was ready to depart from Jinnah International Airport in Karachi for its destination to the United States. The plane arrived from Mumbai and was ready to depart from Jinnah International Airport in Karachi for its destination to the United States. The passengers came from different countries. There were Indians, Germans, American, and Pakistanis among others. There were Indians, Germans, American, and Pakistanis among others. Unfortunately, the flight was hijacked by 4 terrorists. The flight was hijacked by 4 terrorists while it was parked at Karachi Airport. Here, hijacked means illegally seized control of an aircraft ship. Hijacked means illegally seized control of an aircraft ship, etc. So, the terrorists were more intent on targeting the Americans, not Indians, Pakistanis, Germans. The terrorists were more intent on targeting the Americans. Neeraja, she is the main character in this story. She was a senior flight purser. Here purser means an officer on a plane who deals with the plane's accounts. Neeraja was a senior flight purser. Purser means an officer on a plane who deals with the plane's accounts. So Neeraja was told to collect the passports of all the passengers, but she managed to hide their passports and discarded them down the rubbish chute. By doing this, 39 American passengers were saved out of 41. These hijackers wanted to fly to Israel and crash the plane against a building. Meanwhile, Neeraja alerted the pilots to escape through the alternate exit, so that the terrorists were at a loss of pilots who could be forced to fly the plane to the terrorist desired location. Children, here you can see how the hijackers entered the plane and how the pilots have escaped through an alternative exits. And you can see some other people escaping through the other exits. The frustration and helplessness of the terrorists grew every hour and their patience was running out. The terrorists attacked violently on the passengers due to 17 hours of hijack, and then the plane ran out of power. So the terrorists lost their patience. They were armed with dangerous weapons like plastic explosive belts and pistols, made a lot of noise on board. So the terrorists started to fire the passengers and there was a confusion on board. Taking advantage of this, Neeraja kept into action at once, and she kept all her fears and hesitations aside and worked out of her way, evacuating as many passengers as she could. Here evacuating means moving people from danger to safer zone. Evacuating means moving people from danger to safer zone. And Neeraja could have escaped herself as she knew the escape routes well inside the plane. But she did not. She waited selflessly in the face of death to help the ones around her. As she was about to escape herself, she noticed 3 children who were left in the flight. The 3 children needed her help in escaping. As she was trying to escape with the children, she was hit by the bullets fired by one of the terrorists. She was wounded, suffered, and eventually this heroic girl passed away. Okay children, now let us see the Neeraja's life history. Neeraja Bonnet was born on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh, Punjab, India. Neeraja Bonnet was born on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh, Punjab, in India. Her parents were Rama Bonnet and Harish Bonnet, who was a Mumbai-based journalist. Neeraja was their third child, who was born after a long time after her brothers Ahil and Anish. She studied in Chandigarh's Sacred Heart School till 6th standard. Then her family shifted to Mumbai and finished her schooling in Bombay Scottish School. Then Neeraja finished her graduation at St. Xavier's College. Then her family decided to get her married to a man in Sharjah, UAE. By March 1985, Neeraja was married where her life became worse. After 2 months, Neeraja left her husband at the age of 22 due to dowry demands. Then her family decided to get her married to a man in Sharjah, UAE. By March 1985, Neeraja was married where her life became worse. After 2 months, Neeraja left her husband at the age of 22 due to dowry demands. Then Neeraja started her career in modeling and appeared in various advertisements like Binaka toothpaste, etc. Children, here in this picture you can see some of her advertisement. Neeraja applied for a flight attendant's job with the Pan Am, which was the largest international air carrier in the United States at the time. She was one among the 80 applicants who were selected. She was sent to Miami to get trained for 6 to 8 weeks. Then she was sent to London to be trained as a purser, the senior most cabin manager. Her duty was handling passengers' complaints, making required announcements, and handling security. Now, let us see the awards, achievements, and the legacy which Neeraja Bonnet achieved. The Ashoka Chakra citation read, "Her loyalties to the passengers of the aircraft in distress will forever be a lasting tribute to the finest qualities of the human spirit." The government of India, Pakistan, and America acknowledged her act of bravery. She was awarded the Justice for Crimes Award and Tamha-e Insaniyat Award. Postal stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. The government of India, Pakistan, and America acknowledged her act of bravery. She was awarded the Justice for Crimes Award and Tamha-e Insaniyat Award. Postal stamp was also issued in her honor in 2004. There is also a trust opened in her name as a Neeraja Bonnet Pan Am Trust. And there is also an app launched in her name. Here is what Neeraja said to her mother one day. "I will die but not run away." This is what a young Neeraja told her mother when they had discussed the sensitive situation of a hypothetical hijack. Her brother Anish Bonnet recalls how one day her mother had picked this topic and told Neeraja that she must save herself in case a hijack ever took place on a Pan Am flight, the airlines that Neeraja was working for. To this, Neeraja had asked her mother to never think this way again, for she was determined to not be a coward in such a situation, and she lived up to her word. And even the streets of Mumbai remember her, and a square in Mumbai's Chatkopar East suburb was named after her by Mumbai Corporation. Okay children, I hope you all have understood this story. Now let's see the glossary of this session. Hijacked. Hijacked means illegally seized control of an aircraft, ship, etc. Hijacked means illegally seized control of an aircraft, ship, etc. Disaster, it means a sudden misfortune. Disaster means a sudden misfortune. Hijacked, illegally seized control of an aircraft, ship, etc. Disaster means a sudden misfortune. Achievement, it means success. Achievement, success. Injustice, lack of justice. Injustice means lack of justice. Crew, it means a group of people who work on an aircraft or ship. Crew means a group of people who work on an aircraft or ship. Achievement, it means success. Injustice, lack of justice. Crew, it means a group of people who work on an aircraft or ship. Chute, it means funnel. Chute means funnel. Frustration, it means the feeling of annoyance when one's actions are prevented from progressing or succeeding. Frustration means the feeling of annoyance when one's actions are prevented from progressing or succeeding. Chute means funnel. Frustration means the feeling of annoyance when one's actions are prevented from progressing or succeeding. Now it's time for questions. First question. How did Neeraja save the Americans? How did Neeraja save the Americans? Second question. Why did Neeraja alert the pilots? Why did Neeraja alert the pilots? Third one. What happened when the terrorists lost their patience? Fourth one. Name the school and colleges Neeraja studied in. Name the school and colleges Neeraja studied in. Fifth one. Why was Neeraja sent to London? Sixth question. What is the duty of a purser? What is the duty of a purser? Seventh one. How was Neeraja honored by various governments? How was Neeraja honored by various governments?